Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 6, where innovation meets sleek design. Let's dive into its impressive specs, starting with the wider cover display and the astonishingly thin profile. Samsung has truly outdone themselves with the Z Fold 6, making it their slimmest foldable phone yet at just 11mm thick, a significant reduction from the Z Fold 5's 13.7mm. What's more, it's even thinner than the OnePlus Open, coming in at 11.7mm, promising a lighter and more comfortable user experience. But that's just the beginning. The Z Fold 6 boasts an expansive 6.4-inch cover display, slightly larger than its predecessor, offering more screen real estate for your multitasking needs. And let's not forget about the inner display, with its unique 1.08:1 aspect ratio, giving you a square-like experience that's both modern and functional. It's a design choice that echoes the desires of users, aligning closely with what the market demands. The inner display also features a 20:9 aspect ratio, reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, delivering a visually stunning experience that users will love. Renowned tech analyst Ice Universe has weighed in on the design, noting its secure yet elegant form factor, setting the stage for a truly groundbreaking device. Speaking of groundbreaking, Samsung is raising the bar even higher with the Z Fold 6 build quality. Say goodbye to conventional materials. The Z Fold 6 is set to feature a titanium build, making it the first foldable phone of its kind. This not only enhances durability but also elevates the device's premium feel, setting it apart from the competition. And let's not forget about customization. With 3 color options available, including the sophisticated titanium gray reminiscent of the S24 Ultra, users can choose a look that suits their style. But what about the camera? Samsung hasn't overlooked this crucial aspect of the Z Fold 6. While details are still emerging, there's talk of a significant upgrade, with rumors suggesting a new 50-megapixel main sensor, promising stunning photography capabilities. And with improved AI processing, users can expect even better low-light performance in natural-looking images. As for battery life, Samsung is aiming to impress once again. With a 4,600 mAh battery, 200 mAh larger than its predecessor, the Z Fold 6 promises to keep up with your busy lifestyle. And with advancements in charging technology, you can count on fast and efficient recharging whenever you need it. Let's delve into the battery life of the eagerly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6, an aspect that's generating quite a buzz among tech enthusiasts. Recent reports suggest that Samsung is gearing up to deliver a significant upgrade in this department. For years, Samsung stuck with a 4,400 mAh battery for its Galaxy foldables. However, whispers from industry insiders hint at a departure from this trend with the Z Fold 6. Sources indicate the possibility of a larger battery capacity, marking a potential milestone for Samsung's flagship foldable lineup. While the official battery specifications are yet to be confirmed, early comparisons with the previous generation Z Fold 5 reveal promising signs. Observers note a slight increase in size, hinting at a potential boost in battery performance. Moreover, rumors suggest a dual battery setup akin to its predecessor, allowing for optimized power distribution. Some sources even speculate that Samsung could pack a hefty 5,000 mAh battery into the Z Fold 6, a substantial leap from the Z Fold 5's capacity. This ambitious upgrade, if realized, could significantly enhance the device's endurance, addressing concerns about battery life in foldable devices. The decision to increase battery size is not arbitrary. With the Z Fold 6 expected to feature a wider and larger form factor compared to its predecessor, there's a need for a power source that can keep up with the demands of the device. A larger battery not only accommodates the expanded dimensions but also ensures extended usage across both the cover and inner displays. And what about the much-speculated built-in S Pen feature? Well, it seems Samsung has prioritized battery capacity over integrating the stylus directly into the device. This strategic move indicates a commitment to delivering a robust and long-lasting user experience without compromising on essential features. Interestingly, reports suggest that Samsung drew inspiration from competitors such as Huawei in rethinking battery design and placement. By reverse engineering Huawei's foldable devices, Samsung gained valuable insights into optimizing battery size without sacrificing device aesthetics or performance. As for performance, the Z Fold 6 is expected to pack the same Snapdragon 3 processor as the S24 Ultra. While this chipset offers commendable performance, its efficiency may not be on par with previous generations, necessitating careful consideration of battery capacity and charging speed. Speaking of charging, while the Z Fold 6 is rumored to support fast charging technology, details remain scarce. However, given Samsung's track record, it's safe to assume that the device will offer a fast and efficient charging experience, ensuring minimal downtime for users. Get ready to capture every moment in stunning detail with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 impressive camera setup. The latest buzz surrounding this device is nothing short of exciting, with rumors suggesting some remarkable upgrades. Word on the street hints at the possibility of the Z Fold 6 sporting the same cutting-edge camera sensor found in the S24 Ultra. While the details remain unconfirmed, this tantalizing prospect has enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. It's a tantalizing proposition, considering the device's potential to rival standalone cameras in terms of image quality. But that's not all. Sources suggest a host of enhancements in store for the Z Fold 6 camera system. Although specifics are scarce, early reports indicate a new 50-megapixel main sensor, promising crisp and vibrant images that truly stand out. Coupled with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, the Z Fold 6 is poised to deliver a versatile photography experience. One particularly exciting feature on the horizon is the possibility of 4K 60fps recording, allowing users to capture every moment in stunning clarity and detail. Additionally, a suite of AI-powered enhancements is expected to elevate the Z Fold 6 photography capabilities to new heights. From improved low-light performance to more natural-looking images, Samsung's latest flagship promises to deliver an unparalleled photography experience. As for its release date, industry insiders suggest an earlier launch window for the Z Fold 6, with production already underway. This means eager users may get their hands on the device as early as July, offering a glimpse into the future of mobile photography. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of photographic possibilities, stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates. Until next time, peace out.